Mastering the phrase, second time around. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, second time around. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just looking to polish your language skills, understanding these common phrases can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's get started and explore what this phrase means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, second time around, refers to doing something for the second time after you have already done it once. It suggests a repetition of an action, experience, or event, but this time with the benefit of having previous experience or knowledge. This phrase can imply that the person might approach the situation differently or expect a different outcome based on their past experience. To fully grasp the meaning, let's look at some examples where this phrase might be used. Personal experience. I found the recipe much easier to follow the second time around since I knew what to expect. Work or education. Taking this course the second time around helped me understand the concepts better. Relationships. Their relationship was stronger the second time around after they had time apart to grow individually. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in various contexts, emphasizing the idea of learning from past experiences or making improvements on a previous attempt. While pronunciation isn't our main focus, remember to stress the words second and around for clear communication. In terms of usage, this phrase is versatile and can be used in both formal and informal settings. However, it's most commonly found in casual conversation and personal storytelling. Interestingly, the phrase, second time around, also reflects a cultural acceptance of learning from mistakes and the value of perseverance. It's a reminder that it's okay to try again and that doing something a second time can often lead to better results. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, second time around. Remember, English is full of phrases like this that can add color and depth to your conversations. We hope this video helps you feel more confident using this phrase in your own English speaking and writing. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to give things a second try, especially when it comes to learning a new language. See you in the next video.